Dear students, now next is accessing a series object, okay, and its elements, page 16 of your new book. Okay, so we need an array that we need that is series object obj5 that I have created. I will show you obj6. It is like this, obj7 and obj8. Okay, so I will show you the creation, how I have created. So once you go through, so you will have the practice of creating the objects. Okay, different ways I have created. See here, since I have used numpy array also, that's why I imported pandas, that is very essential. Then numpy also. Okay, then you can see here arrays, one list, two lists are there, ar and mon. With that I have created this object. Okay, obj5. Then you see with this array I have created obj6. Okay, then obj7 I have created like this. You see, index, for index I have taken one list, so index I have passed like this. Okay, once I will show this one also completely. Then you see this one, obj7, index is a1, that is I have taken passed as list, and data I have used arrange function. Okay, and then I have created the, that is array obj7, obj8 another way. Okay, both the index also a list and data is also in the form of a list I have created. Okay, then obj5 is displayed. This is obj5, same as your book. obj6, obj, I will show you that obj7 also, obj7, obj8. Okay, now obj6 third element. obj6 third element, if we go, we just check obj6 third element. obj6 third element is 20. Okay, I will show you. obj6 third element is 20. Then obj7's 9, index number 9 has got which value? obj7 index number 9 has got value. obj7 index number 9 has got value 80. Okay, so this is being shown here. Alright, then obj, that is 8's 11. Okay, obj8's 11 index has got value 121. obj8's 11 index number has got value 121. Then obj8. Okay, then obj5's feb. Okay, obj5 I will show you once we will go back to obj5. Let me scroll the screen. obj5, this is obj5. obj5's feb has got value 28. Okay, so this index we are going to make use of. obj5's feb is 28. Okay, obj5's feb is 28. All right. Okay, now this is all about, you see, indexing the that is accessing the values through indices. Okay, that is individual elements. Okay, one more example is there. You can see here obj3. Okay, so this is obj3 which I have created. I'll show you and then we will access. Okay, obj3 has got something special. What is that? You see, it has got, I'll show you this one. You see the indices of obj3, a, b, then you see again a, means three indices are a and two indices are b. So if this is shown, if obj3 b index is to be accessed, then two values it will show. Okay, then we come to the next, that is if obj7 has got no index number 2. obj7 has got no index number 2. I will show you obj7 once. Okay, obj7 which I have created, there is no index number 2. Okay, no index number 2. Now I will scroll down and I will show you. Now obj7's, if suppose obj7 we are trying to access index number 2, this much of big error message. Okay, this much big error message is there. Okay, that is shown here also in your book. I will show this is error message in your book also. Alright, now dear students, now extracting slices from series object, page number 17. Okay, it says that slicing, we have done slicing already, you are very much familiar with. Slicing takes place position wise and not the index wise in a series object. Okay, why? Because you can see here this array, index is actually Feb, Jan and March. Okay, but the positions are 0, 1, 2. Alright, then index is this, positions are these here. For this obj6, obj7 also indices are these, but the positions are these will be considered. Okay, I'll show you. I have created the array, these series objects. So obj5 is this, I have created this way. Okay, the different ways I create series object. Then obj6, since its index is also 0, 1, 2. Okay, this way, so on and so forth. That's why I have created just np.arrange I have passed. So this becomes data, and indices, you see, by default they become 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then next is, you see, the next one, that is obj7. I will show you. obj7 is here. I will scroll down and I will show creation of obj7. obj7 I have created this way. obj7 pd.series. Okay, index also through arrange function and data also through arrange function. Okay, so this is it. A little bit. Is it clear? Okay, now obj5 is this one, obj5 is this one, obj6 on my screen is this one, obj7 on my screen is this one. Okay, good. Now we will be doing slicing. Slicing, first one is this. First one. Now dear students, obj5 slice, starting from 1 goes up to n. Okay, then you see, that is why starting from 1 is Jan. Okay, and March you can check it from the, that is from your book. Okay, then you see obj6 slice starting from 2 to 5. 5 means 1 minus 1, 4. Okay, 2 to 4. Alright, and obj7 slice begins from 0, goes up to n. Okay, so end is what? That is 12th index. Okay, minus 1, and with the gap of 2. Okay, so it will go from 0 to last, but with the gap of 2. Okay, so that's why this is printed. Okay, once I will show you all the slices executed on the screen. See, 1 to, you see, end. So Jan and March. Alright, second one, 2 to, you can see 5. 2 to 5 means 2 to 5 minus 1, 4. Okay, 2 index to 5 minus 1, 4. Okay, then it comes to next one, obj7 0 to last index, but with the gap of 2. So that's why only 9 and 11. Okay, that they are in extracted. Then you see obj7, okay, 10 is to 15. 10 is to 15 indices, these positions are not there. That's why we get an empty series type of object. This is empty series type of object. Okay, then you see printing the array elements slices in reverse order. For that I have shown that of array, created an array object and shown if this type of slice is given, that of the array, this is the output. Array elements are displayed in reverse order. But when it is for series object, how they are also displayed in reverse order, but with the indices also. Okay, so just a comparison I have given. Then we come to the next one, that is, you see, page number 18. Here I got one question. Okay, you can see, consider a series object asset that stores the number of students, in each section of class 12 as shown. Okay, this is You can see this type of object is to be created. These are the indices also I have written. Okay, that is means positions 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you see what it is. What does it say? For the first two sections have been given a task of selling tickets at ₹100 per ticket as part of a social experiment. Okay, so write code to display how much they have collected. Alright, this is the solution. Import statement, this I did not write because I have already imported for this session in the beginning. Okay, ticket amount, and you see slice is taken out. Alright, now slice is starting is 0. Alright, starting is 0 and end is 2. Okay, 2 means minus 1 means 0 and 1. So 0 and 1. Okay, and multiplied by 100. So these, that is sections 0 and 1, that is A and B. Okay, each one collected 100. Okay, amount. So that's why number of students multiplied by 100. So this is the amount, ticket amount. Okay, this is the solution. I will show it on my screen. Okay, so this one. See here, import statement I have not written. Alright, import statement I have not written. I have created series object like this. Okay, different ways I am creating series object. So you also practice creating series object. I have already given you question to create series objects in different ways. Okay, so now this is it. Alright, now ticketing amount is printed and the slice, asset slice 0 to 2 means 2 minus 1 is 1, 0 and 1 considered, multiplied by 100. 0 and 1 are A and B indices and the values are being displayed. Dear students, now operation on series object. First one is modifying elements of series objects. Okay, syntax, very well you have to know. Okay, series objects index number is going to be, you see, is going to get new data value. Okay, index is going to be new data value. It can be simply one index number, index value. Okay, otherwise it could be again like slicing, that is start is to stop. Okay, we'll get new value. Alright, now we will be seeing now this one. This is OB1 unit. Okay, so OB1 I will show it on my screen also. OB1. Okay, this is OB1. Okay, now this one OB2 we are going to need it little later, so that one I will show you. Now OB1's 0th element is changed to, you see, 1.85. Can you see? This is 1.85 it is changed to. Alright, now I will show that is its 0th element is changed to 1.85. Okay, then it comes to this one, that is OB1's. Can you see? OB1, its second up to 4th, okay, element is changed with minus 15.75. Okay, second is to 4th means starting from 2, but it will go up to 4 minus 1, 3. When last value is given, stop value is given, then we have to take it, consider it minus 1. If it is not given, then we have to go up to the last subscript. Okay, so 2 is to 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 2 and 3 will be changed with the values, that is minus 15.75. Can you see here? Okay, mine also I will show you, that is changed to 15.75. Okay, the values 2 and 3. Okay, this is it. Okay, change to this. Alright, then we come to the next, that is OB2. This is your OB2. Okay, in your book this is your OB2. Okay, now mine OB2, I am displaying here OB2. Okay, now OB2's, you see which part is modified. You can see starting from 1 goes up to 4 and step 2, okay, is going to get 380 value. Alright, so let us see, starting from 5 starting from starting from 1 goes up to 5. Okay, I'll just goes up to 5 and step is 2, and each one gets 380. Okay, so starting from 1. Okay, so I'll put here, I have put here indices. So 1 starting from 1 goes up to 5 means 5 minus 4 is 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, goes up to 4. Okay, and you see step 2, so it will be only these two will get modified to 380. Okay, now next one we will be I will be showing it on the screen. Okay, you can see this one on the screen also executed. Okay, now we come to the next one. This is now I'm once again showing OB2. Now after you see modifying, it becomes this one. OB2 is like this. Okay, now this OB2's indices are what? A, B, C, D. OB2's indices are what? A, B, C, D, E. Alright, but now we can change the indices to V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, this way. Alright, now not only the data items can be changed, but indices also can be changed. Now the indices are this part I will show you in your book. Okay, so this is your, this one is your OB2 indices are changed. Okay, OB2's indices are being changed. Alright, now they become VWXYZ. Okay, now we come to the next part, that is this is OB2. OB2's indices trying to change but giving some extra values here, okay, though the data items are how many? Data items are 5 and indices are given some extra values. So this error message appears, value error. Okay, I will also show you this one. Okay, this is it. I am giving extra values to it. And this is the error message. This much big error message. You see when extra values are provided. Okay, and at the end it says value error. It says value error. Length mismatched. Expected axis has 5 elements. Okay, new values have 7 elements. Okay, so this error message. Okay, value error, length mismatch, expected axis has 5 elements, new value has 7 elements. Okay, then we come to this one, that is the example 15. Okay, consider object as 13. This object is like this. Okay, this you see section wise contribution is this. Okay, we made use of this series before also. Now what happens, write code to modify amount of section A as 7600 and for section C and D as 7000. Print the changed object. Okay, so how it is done? Section A has got the 0th. I will just show you 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, section A has got index number 0. Okay, so we can give directly S13, 0th element becomes this, and then we have to change that of C and D. So C begins from 2. Okay, and up to last. Okay, so up to last, that's why last we have not given, step also we have not given, last value, last index we have not given, step not given. Okay, and we are going to change it to 7000. Okay, now series object after modifying, okay, we are printing it and the output is this. Okay, I have done it in a file. That file I will show you. This file, this program is mine in the file. Okay, I have created series object S13, imported first the pandas, created series object with this method. Alright, then I have printed the series object before also and after modification also. Okay, these are the 2 steps of modification. Now printing it before and after. Okay, I'll show you the output now. Okay, so output, just a minute, output on the screen. This is my series before. Okay, and then series object after modification is this. Can you see? Before modification original was this, after modification it is this. Okay.